So I got these stools. They're these old rickety shop stools. I've had them forever. I stack them up in my show. I do a little trick on them. I use them for various things in the show. I love them. They're great. Except now that I'm taking my show on the road, they do not break down easily. They're a little heavy and they do not come apart, which is amazing. They've been solid for years now. But it's time I upgrade. I gotta upgrade to a stool that I can pack down and bring places. So I got these guys. They're Ikea stools. They were like $10 and they come in this little packaging. It breaks down so easy. I can put that in my suitcase and they're not too heavy. But this is not stable. Like I cannot safely stand on it or in good conscience use this for anything. Also, it comes with a sticker saying that I really shouldn't stand on it. So I'm gonna replace this. I already did it poorly on this one. This is the prototype and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got this little router jig and that is going to be the way I make a circle. If you want to know how to make a circle out of a piece of wood, go watch someone else's video. That is not my area of expertise. You watch my videos if you want to see a club that shoots confetti or something stupid like that. Actually, that is a really good idea. Confetti club. So, it turns out Ikea already makes these stools. They make this stool with the wood top, but it's $30, so I'm not gonna buy it. How about these guys for $10, and then these were free because I already had some scrap wood. So, I think that was the right choice. Okay. So I'm just taking this guy off of this. You see how poorly I did that last time? That took way too long to get the holes in the right spot. And I already messed it up in that one. Here's the thing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Is that gonna stop me? No. Should it? Yeah, maybe. All right. So I got the holes. Now on this side, I'm doing this. And that is my new top to my stool. Are these the best thing to use? I have no idea. Probably not, honestly. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this. But like I said before, I have no idea what I'm doing. There it is. I definitely did not expect this channel to turn into a Ikea furniture DIY hack page, but here we are. It works. Now I'm not planning on doing the trick where I get on top of them, but maybe.